A federal appeals court says the city of Tulsa does not have the authority to fine Native Americans who break traffic laws while on tribal land. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lori Fulbright.
And I'm Jonathan Cooper. The ruling means cities in Oklahoma cannot exercise jurisdiction over tribal citizens. News on 6's Lex Rodriquez explains what this means for non-tribal police.
Today's ruling on Hooper v. Tulsa gives a bit of clarity about law enforcement jurisdiction. Attorney John Dunn represented Justin Hooper and challenged the city of Tulsa over whether it had the authority based on 1898's Curtis Act to issue a speeding citation for Hooper, who is a tribal citizen. Hooper paid the fine for the 2018 citation, but challenged it following the Supreme Court's 2020 ruling on tribal jurisdiction. Today, the court ruled the Curtis Act no longer applies.
Congress is honoring the word that it gave to the tribes, that the tribes are exercising sovereignty over their citizens, and that the law is being followed.
Dunn says this could be cleared up if all officers cross-deputize with tribal nations, essentially giving them the authority to issue citations within reservations they work in. He says Tulsa police do not have that authority. Governor Kevin Stitt says he is hopeful the U.S. Supreme Court will overturn the decision. In a statement, he says in part, "I'm extremely disappointed and disheartened by the decision made by the 10th Circuit to undermine the city of Tulsa and the impact it would have on their ability to enforce laws within their municipality." He continues, "If your city government cannot enforce something as simple as a traffic violation, there will be no rule of law in eastern Oklahoma."
I believe that the things that he is concerned about are imaginary. I think they're short-sighted. Certainly those citizens have a right to expect that the law will be followed and those promises would be honored.
Now, the city of Tulsa says its legal team is reviewing the opinion and will evaluate its next steps. We're live in Tulsa. Lex Rodriquez, Oklahoma's own News on 6.